Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Hello, everyone. Today I'm making a panikeke recipe. As you can see here, I have my pot and I have a temperature thermometer. This is the high temperature thermometer. It goes up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll put the Celsius below. I'm using this one because when I make panikeke now, I do it like a scientific way in a way, more than by feel, because I want to get the perfect Samoan balls of panikeke. So I'm going to fill it up with about a half a pan of vegetable oil. I actually had to go run and get some more. My ingredients are 3.5 cups of flour, all-purpose flour, 1 1/3 cup of sugar, and last but not least, for the dry ingredients, I use 2 teaspoons of baking powder. So a lot of people asked me to do my new recipe when they saw my new panikeke in the background. So I'm doing that today. I add 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract for that flavor. I do not put bananas in mine because my kids don't like it. I have a 1.5 cups of water. I usually put about a half of that at the beginning before I start whisking it. I don't have any fancy machines, so I have to stir it by hand. I grab some more cold water, and this is my ice cream scoop that I use. It's just a little tiny one, but I love the little size of the panikeke because you can just pop them in your mouth and they are good. You have to trust me. So there it is. After I'm done stirring it up and the temperature is up, I start to add them in. My first one never turns out good. That's usually my experimental one, but I add more, and my secret to getting them all uniform and perfect looking is basically always moving them. So a lot of people will let them fry on one side for 3 minutes, do on the other side, and they're not the same color. My OCD bothers me terribly when I do that. So I always want to have them all perfect. And as you can see, that one towards the bottom there is not perfect. That'll be my test one that I taste myself after it is done cooking. Later on, I grab a spoon instead. The reason why I do that, a long-handled spoon, is because I can kind of splash the oil on top of the balls that aren't moving, spinning. And so I keep them spinning around, and it's like basting a steak or basting some salmon with butter. So but I'm basting the top of it because I want them all to be equal size and equal color, and of course equally done. Total time is about 6 minutes per batch, and I usually try to keep it no more than 8 in the pan because I want lots of space between all of them. I do use vegetable oil. You could also use peanut oil or any other oil that can take high temperatures without burning. All right, let's get ready. There they are. Wow, those are nice. So as you can see, I have, it looks like 30 there. I actually put 8 more in a bag that I'll show you for some friends, but they're all pretty much the exact same size. They're all the same color. Oh, it smells so good in the house. I have 2 there for Tala and my wife, and there's, I think, 8 that I put, so for a total of 40 that I made out of that one batch. And that's how much you can make out of one batch. Let's see. All right, we got Tala and Maka here. She's gonna try the panikeke and give us the honest rating.
Okay.
Get it, girl.
Oh my goodness, this is bomb. This is hella bomb. Hella bomb.
What do you think, Maka?
She's like, all right, glad you enjoy. Mommy's gonna have one too with her Pani Popo Patrol coffee cup. She don't want to be on film though. Her hair still looks crazy. Can you taste it though, and then I won't film your face? Can you taste it?
Taste what?
the panikeke right in front of you. Okay, I've been filming for 22 seconds. Let's go. There, it's going in her mouth. You have to trust me. Well, what do you say?
Awesome.
Awesome. Sorry she won't be a film. She looks crazy. Let's see the inside. I just want to see the donut, man. Calm down. Donut time. All right, love you guys. Until next time. Peace.
Hi everyone! If you can see, we're in Hawaii again, so for the legacy competition. And this is only going to be on my channel, not my parents, so if you want to see the rest of my journey here, keep watching. Bye!